Obviously, if you have a load of lovely, nice StageLink boxes, you're not going to want to have them just thrown around your studio in different places, difficult to find. You want to have them mounted nicely, which is why we offer a whole load of mounting options for the StageLink boxes. Now you'll notice that they are just over 6 inches wide, which means that 3 of them can get into a 19-inch rack unit with a shelf which will join them all together. We also have the option of just, as you can see, putting them on a table. They come with nice rubber feet so that they're not going to be subject to vibration, they're not going to scratch the table, etc. You'll also see that the rubber feet are actually made for VESA mounting. So if you have, for example, a monitor mount that you're using for a screen, you can actually have a little extension on that, and with the VESA 100 plate, you can then mount these boxes. You could have, for example, one just hidden behind a screen unobtrusively. You also have the option of using a bumper jacket, and so this means you can have it suspended below a table, or you can have it mounted sideways against a post, and so it means it's very easy to install them. They'll be neat, you can do all the cabling neatly, and it means that you have an, as the Germans would say, ordentlich installation.